Olivia.
I'm Kaci.
My name is Elizabeth. And we'll do the rainbow blast. Our ingredients are a 60-ounce empty soda bottle, a foil pan dish with 2-inch sides, a funnel, a 1.5 cup of peroxide, squirt of dish detergent, 3 drops of food coloring, and clear measuring cup, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Our first step is stand the soda bottle in foil pan. Insert funnel in the neck of the soda bottle. 1 cup of peroxide detergent and food coloring. We need yeast and warm water. Well, our question was, will it rise and go straight up, or will it rise and fall over?
Answer didn't rise.
It's kind
Well,
of rising.
Trying to. Very slowly.
Science behind is the hydrogen peroxide naturally decomposes, and combining it with detergent and yeast speeds up the process, and the chemical formulas are 2HO turns to 2HO and 0 as oxygen emits and the reaction, it creates bubbles. The detergent speeds up the foaming. The reaction is exothermic, meaning it produces heat.
As steam as well.